When I started racing, I was racing with a grid full of men. It was really great that we could win the national championship 4 years in a row. This is definitely not the pinnacle of my success. It's been a great racing season for the start of 2021. This season of INRC was the last two rounds that were from 2020. We started our racing season in the month of December. The rounds consisted of 4 rounds, which was Bangalore, Mangalore, Hampi, and Coimbatore. And each one of these terrains were different from one another, and they were difficult based on their tracks. And I think it was a great experience having to have raced in each one of them. The competition was definitely very, very competitive, and it was really great that we could win the national championship 4 years in a row. No, I think we're just barely scratching the surface right now, and I think the reason we've been able to win it 4 years in a row is because of the continued support and the evolving technology and everything with TVS Racing as well. Every year we have new bikes, every year we have new technology, every year we have better and faster bikes, and I think we also have the best service team out there. So I think which is why we've been able to achieve it, and this is definitely not the pinnacle of my success. There's a lot longer way. I think the motivation was to get stronger, and I think this period of the lockdown helped me work on more of the physical aspect of my training, a lot more endurance specific. Riding was way little. I think we only started to ride in the month of August and September when the lockdown eased a little. But I think throughout the whole idea was to focus on getting stronger, getting better, and that was the whole focus. We were looking at participating at the World Cup, but unfortunately, due to COVID, still the restrictions for Indians to travel outside hasn't eased up yet. To travel to the European countries, it's been very difficult to get a visa, and I think my participation at the international races will be subject to the restrictions. We have the 2021 season coming up, and I believe we also have the Desert Storm, which is the desert race which happens for a week. I think it's happening sometime in the first half of the year. When I started racing, I was racing with a grid full of men, and I started my career with road racing. And ever since then, I believe from 2017, TVS came up with this One Neck Cup for women, where there are at least 15 women racing on the grid. I started my career there as well. Also, there's a national championship created by MMSC for women, where it's all-women grid as well. With such platforms available, from me being the only girl on the track, through these days, we have at least a minimum of 15 women on each one of these races participating. This is in the road racing aspect of it. With rally as well, the numbers have been evolving, but I would still say that they're in a nascent stage and they're just getting better.